Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, it's Easter time and I have a bonanza of bunnies. Today I've set us an Easter bunny tablescape. I'm using vintage cake stands, lots of bunny dishes with a pastel color scheme. So let's take a look around the table. For this Easter table, I'm using a plaid tablecloth that has pastel shades of yellow, pink, blue, lavender, and green. I'm going to use my whitewash chargers. I got these a couple years ago at Hobby Lobby. They're very handy. They go with lots of things. And I'm going to be using my dinner plates. These are Pioneer Woman. They're in a soft, pale green. And I have these sweet little salad plates. I got these last year at Hobby Lobby, and they each have a different bunny that's frolicking in some little flowers. I'm going to be using my teal flatware today. I'm going to be using my cut glass Longchamp glasses today. And I'm going to pair with them these pretty colored glasses. They make me think of Easter eggs. Each one is a different color. There's a pink, green, yellow, and blue. I got these several years ago from a mail order company. And for the dinner napkins, I'm using these pale pink with floral napkin rings. Each has a different color flower design. There's pink, blue, and yellow, I believe. They're a thrift store find. I love setting the table for Easter. It's second only to Christmas for me. Getting out all my Easter bunnies. Today, here in the center of the table, for centerpieces, I've used 3 Mosier cake stands. These are antique. I collected them over the years. The cake stands probably are the first ones that I collected, the clear Mosier. And on top, I've put 3 domes, or cloches, and I've made little vignettes inside of them. They were very simple to make. I should have did a how-to video, sorry. But guys, all you do, I just got a pre-made little round piece of foam and hot glued the bunny and then covered it with moss. I put some taller little floral stems here in the back, and then at the front some little flowers with Easter eggs. And I got all the little goodies that are under the domes at Hobby Lobby. And you could do these for other times of year, Christmas time, not just for Easter. And I've got three different little bunnies. And they're just perched underneath their domes. And here's an itty bitty bunny. I've got some candles this year. These are new. I picked these up at Big Lots. They're bunny ears. Don't you just love them? I got a pink pair and a yellow pair. And I've put them in these vintage candle holders. I've had these for ages. I think I got them at an estate sale, but they have double arms, so that made it perfect to hold the bunny ears. I guess if you were to put these in single candlesticks, you probably want to set them kind of close together. You wouldn't want to spread them out. But I thought they were so cute. Bunny ears for my bunny table. I just had to have them. Here I've got a little covered dish. It's a cabbage with little bunnies popping out of the top. And this is a sweet little teapot. The little bunnies have got their carrots and Easter eggs all piled in a cart, and she's being pushed. I love adding to my bunny collection, and This little set of bunnies is new this year, new to me anyway. This is the little girl bunny, and to go with her, I have the little boy bunny. Well, maybe man bunny, he's smoking a pipe. And I thought these were so cute. I'm not for sure if they're vintage. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I got them at Goodwill, and they don't have any markings on them, but I thought they looked like they might be from the 60s or the 70s. I think they're so cute. And this is a new bunny. Mother got me this little bisque bunny at the thrift store. I've got a little bunny on the flower pot back there. And this is new too. I believe I got it during the summer last year. A little covered Easter egg with a bow on the top. And I have a bunny basket. I've just put some little glittery eggs in it. Each one of the plates has a different little bunny on it. This has always been one of my favorite teapots. The little bunny hopping out of the cabbage with carrots. I bought that ages ago. At this corner, I've got a little bunny picture with a tulip on his back. And I have a sugar and creamer. These are little dancing bunnies. And then here's the teapot that goes with them. I've had those a long time. I think they came from a mail order company. And here's a little lamb. This little teapot with the bunny holding a handful of carrots. These are little paper mache bunnies. And at this corner of the table, this is one of my favorites. It's my little chip cookie jar. Let me see if I can get him up under there. There he is. He's peeking out of his little cracked eggshell. Mother found this at a thrift store, I think last year, and it's one of my favorites. Here's a sweet little bunny holding her bouquet of flowers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a happy Easter. Bye-bye now.